How to thread a bobbin on a vintage.
You undo this.
Yeah.
This. You have to loosen that.
Loosen it which way?
To you.
To
you.
Okay.
And then put your bobbin on here, but watch. There it goes.
Okay.
I just got this threaded. Pull that out, come around the top of this. Nope, nope, that's wrong. This part.
Okay.
Come over, oh, wait, I forgot. You gotta put your thread through the hole. Push that down, push that in.
Okay. Down and in. Okay.
Step on your pedal. And go the way go. And you just have to make sure that it keeps going up and down. And you need glasses. Do you want to thread the whole thing, or you think that's enough?
Probably plenty.
Then you pop that off. There's your scissors. Cut your thread. Put the thread going counterclockwise.
So it's over the top to the right.
Yes. Put it in here. Pull it through. Leave it over there this way. On this, the left side of the hook.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Pull the spring out, pop it in.
Then that's done. Put this in. When
Oh.
you turn this.
Retighten your little.
Yeah. Put this in, or you're not going to sew anything. Rethread.
Do the eye.
I should have painted my nails. I didn't know we were going to do this.
It's going on YouTube now. There's going to be somebody looking how to do this on this particular model because I couldn't find a video that covered this through the little.
Through there and
Through the little guide, through the guide above the needle.
I don't even know how you got it in there.
Here,
Sam.
I'll show you.
I never used that. Okay. Pull this down. Pull your thread up. And you're ready.
Good deal. Thank you. How to thread and wind the bobbin for a vintage Kenmore 8-stitch. Model number 13450.
So now, if you ever do that and you can't sew, you most likely left your thing out.